In this video we are going to solve a system of equations with Gaussian elimination method. Let's see an example. Okay, first I'll start writing the augmented matrix for the system. And what I want to have is another matrix at the end where I will have 1, 1, 1 in the diagonal, and I will have some numbers here, and at the bottom of each one I have to have zeros. So this is called as the triangular form or row echelon form. Now by operating some matrix operations, I'm going to get this matrix, and then I will go back to algebra to solve the system of equations. So let's start. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the first row by -3 and add to the second row so that I will get 0 under 1 in this place. Now let's do that. If I multiply by -3, I will have -3, -6, 9 and 84 instead of these values. Now if I add to these numbers to second row, it will be 0, -6 -7 will be -6 -1 will be -7, and 9 plus 2 is 11, so I have 84 plus 3 to be 87. So this is what I do. Now I have -1 here, so it's okay if I add the first row to the third row. So what I'm going to have is 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 plus 1 is 3, -3 minus 1 is -4, and -28 minus 5 is -33. Now I need 1 or at least -1 here. If I have -1, then I can change the sign and get 1 easily. So I'm going to do a tricky move here. I'm going to multiply this third row by 2 and add to the second row. So here is how. So if I multiply the third row by 2, I will have 0, 6, -8 and -66. So that if I add, it will be 6 minus 7 minus 1, -8 plus 11, 3, and -66 plus 87 to be 21. Now next I'm going to change the sign of the second row. By multiplying -1, I have 0, 1, -3 and -21 in the second row. To get rid of this 3 here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply the second row by 3 and add to the third row. So let's see, this will be -3, 9 and 63, and if we do the addition, -3 plus 3 will be 0, 9 minus 4 will be 5, and 63 minus 33 will be 30. And if I simplify the third row, I will get 1 instead of 5 here. Let's see how. If I practically divide the first row by 5, I will get 1 as an entry here. So I have my row echelon form. As you see, I have my triangular form here. Now I'm going to write the equations from this matrix again. So according to the coefficients, it will be x plus 2y minus 3z equals -28. Then in the second one it will be y minus 3z equals -21, and the third one, z is equal to 6. Now I will just substitute the value of 6 here to find y, And once I have y and z, I will substitute those values here to find x. So the second equation will be y minus 3 times 6 equals minus 21, which is y minus 18 equals minus 21. From here we get y to be minus 3. And in the first equation, if I substitute both into the equation, it will be x plus 2 times minus 3 minus 3 times 6 equals minus 28. So it will be x minus 6 minus 18 equals minus 28. Hence x will be, x minus 24 will be minus 28. So I have x to be minus 4. That is what I'm going to get as the solution to the system of equations. You can write this solution as an ordered triple also. So it will be minus 4 to minus 3 to 6. Now is your turn. Please solve the systems of equations given here and show me your work.